Every movement helps uncover land buried under years of overgrowth. It's a perfect example of how raw power and smart operation can transform wild zones into cleared, usable land. This clearing process is essential in modern development. It prepares untouched land for roads, farming, or construction without needing large human teams. The work is faster, safer, and helps avoid risky encounters with wildlife in such thick areas. Excavators are now the go-to solution in farming fields, city expansions, pipeline setups, and more. Wherever land needs to breathe again, this method steps in with strength, speed, and safety as its biggest advantages.